Hi guys, this is John from Apollo Sprayer. Today we're going to show you all of the accessories and that come with the Precision 6 system. So the first thing you're going to pull out of the box is the viscosity meter. This is good for your Class A finishes, so very thin, clear finishes. Then we have your cleaning kit. This is good for all of the different parts in the spray gun. It's got 11 different picks and brushes inside it, so it should be able to fit on all of the different nooks and crannies inside the spray gun to keep your spray gun in tip-top shape. And last but not least, we have the accessory bag. And inside the accessory bag, we have your electric cord, we have your instruction manual, and we have your extended warranty. So with the Precision 6, you get a standard 2-year warranty, but if you register on our website within 30 days of purchase, we'll extend that warranty for you for another 3 years, so a total of 5 years. So make sure you don't forget to do the extended warranty on that. Then we have the instruction manual, which is very comprehensive on the turbine itself, on how to use the features and benefits of the Precision machine, because there are a lot of bells and whistles to this machine, and there's a lot to take advantage of. So make sure you read that instruction manual well. Then last but not least, we have the 3 quick connects and your blow-off tool. So the blow-off tool is great for dusting and blowing off different projects before you spray them. Using the turbine air, you won't have any dirt or grime on your substrate. So just install the quick connects on the top of the machine in any order, and then the last third one goes on the front of the turbine, and that's for connecting up your air hose. So the next thing is the air hose. So with all Precision 6 systems, you get a 32-foot air hose. That includes the 4-foot flex whip along with the 3-foot heat sink. And it's the 3-foot heat sink that we're going to connect to the turbine. So in order to connect that up, all we do is pull back on the ring on the coupler and insert the hose, release the ring, and then tug on the hose to make sure that it's set in place. The next thing we're going to do is set up the spray gun. Okay, now that we've set up the system and we've pulled out and gone through all the accessories, it's time to put our attention into the spray gun and set that up and get it ready to spray. In this package, we got the GT cup, which is the gravity cup, and we got that in the Plus package, so it's going to have a couple of extra needles and nozzles here in the spray gun box. So we're going to remove your instruction manual, and everything we've got that we're covering today is in the instruction manual, so read that. But in the box, we've got a 1.8 needle and nozzle set and a 1.5 needle and nozzle set, along with the CHS air cap. In addition to that, we also have in the spray gun the 1.3 needle and nozzle set and the B high solids HS air cap. So that's the setup in the gun. So now that we've got that gone through that, let's go ahead and set up the spray gun to spray. So the first thing we need to do is loosen off the screw here on the side of the gun by using the wrench. The screwdriver on the side of the wrench, and just loosen off that screw. Remove the screw, that'll expose the hole there. And we're going to pull out the Ziploc bag that's in the box here, and we're going to pull out the air feed connector, and we're going to attach that to the spray gun. So I just put the screw back in the bag and insert the air feed connector right into that same hole. And on the wrench, there's a little fitting side there that you can use to just snug it up. Make sure you only snug it up, don't over tighten it, because if you do, you could break the fitting. So now that we've got that set up, let's go ahead and pull the cup out of the box. And then we just want to attach, so make sure your material connector is on the bottom, so you blank off the bottom connector, and we're going to screw our cup to the top. So we'll do that finger tight until it stops. And do not use that to tighten your cup, or you will strip the bolt out at the bottom here. So once it's finger tight like that, take the wrench out of the box and use the wrench to finally tighten it up. And it only needs to be just snug, so don't over tighten it, it's not necessary. Then take your lid, attach your lid to the top, make sure it's nice and flat and square, and tighten it down, and that's ready to go. Next is to connect the air feed connector to the side of the air hose to the air feed connector, and then rotate your fitting so that the hose is out of the way, and that way when you're spraying it's not going to be in your way. And the last thing we want to do is go ahead and connect that to the spray gun. So we're going to grab our air hose for the spray gun, pull back on the ring, insert the metal fitting, pull back until they click, and we're ready to go. Now you're ready to spray.